I love you so much, Bananita. Appelina, I can explain.
It's over between us! Appelino! Let go of me, you maniac!
Stop it, you're hurting her! Yes, we need an ambulance immediately. She's unconscious. Okay, I see the lights now. They're pulling up right now. BP is dropping. Heart rate is 120.
Hang another bag of saline, wide open.
Good news is you have surface injuries. Bad news, you are pregnant.
Mom, can you come and pick me up, please?
Don't worry. She can't do shit. We are safe.
He tried to kill me, now I'm pregnant with his child. I'm sorry, my child, this world don't deserve you. I'm so excited for our wedding, but I can't believe this is actually happening.
Stop looking at her! You make me feel uncomfortable! Excuse me, I couldn't help but notice you. You must be the sweetest thing in this office.
If I was pretty like these girls, he would love me more.
You look absolutely stunning tonight. I feel like the luckiest banana in the world.
Oh, you're making me blush. To the luckiest banana. Oh yeah, Bananito is definitely going to regret leaving me now.
I love you so much, Appelino. Why, God? Why did this? I don't understand why he left. Who is Appelina?
I can explain.
It's over.
Ah! You don't leave me! Let go! Hurry up! You're going too slow! Clear the way! The scan shows complications.
We need to operate immediately if we want to save the baby. I need to tell the truth. Follow me, guys. Give me the power to make it. With his child. This man is not who you think he is. Gonna tell you eventually.
It didn't mean anything.